got beets coming up.
What's that?
You got beets coming up soon.
Oh yeah, I got. Well, I thought it was the old car with no guts and no top.
No, I got that's another one I picked up.
That truck's going to be for sale.
Is that your son's?
No, it was my granddaughter's boyfriend's
Oh,
father's truck, and he passed away with no will. And the parents aren't just, one of those. Guys will wonder where in the heck. Are they all from the city or?
all these guys?
Yeah.
Yep. No, Chris is from out Burlington way in the country. Mark is from Guelph.
We may as well go right down past the cabin, turn right,
Yeah.
and then turn around, and we can stop on the way back. And they're all headed out then, otherwise. Uh-oh. Yeah, we could go right down, and then there's more room to turn around to turn right down here.
Oh, you can see their stuff now. I never,
Yeah,
never been able to see that.
When the leaves are on, you can't see it.
No?
Yeah, but we can reach to the end and get more room to turn around. But you can kind of turn around between the trees and back up.
Oh, up here. Really?
Yeah, best to start turning because of the horseshoe pit. Now then start turning around, Yeah, lakes.
Turn around? Yep.
Lake's quite visible now when you get a lot of the leaves coming off. Because in the summertime you can't even hardly
I
see
can't
the
see
lake.
anything, yeah. You can actually see part of the house.